The following day.
Ooh, where's Bishop? Bishop, oh, more cards on. What's up, y'all? So it's day 2 of this Lake Travis Memorial Weekend shenanigans. Now, I taught these girls how to wheelie yesterday. Let's see how they do today. We're gonna be heading to Devil's Cove, Party Cove area, hang out, see the Seadoo boat. You see that's the guy, Delon, y'all, the one that y'all love to hate, but love to watch. That's him. He brought his boat out today, and we're gonna be heading out. Are y'all ready for this ride?
Yes.
Ooh. Look at that halo graphics. It's like iridescent. Same thing on the other GTX. So we got Bishop out here, Wet Jet Performance. We're gonna make him an extreme rider soon. I mean, he obviously doesn't ride in big groups, but I'm here to convert him. We got Jenny and Brandon here. Rory. Look at that. That ski looks so clean. We got another ski over there. Fernando. We got Delon, the best commentator in the world.
Flashback.
For sale. This one has that PWC super rack. So that adds about $6,000 more to the ski. Because when you get these blue tabs, those are really hard to come by, and they're diamond plated, so that's why it costs so much. And also it comes with fuel, so this is not regular gas. This is like 136 octane racing fuel, and you can only get this shit from Iran. They put it in some special projects, so the fuel alone is probably worth about $2,000. Also, this is the limited edition extreme jet skiing one. And this person here is actually like super famous, and they drew their own body on here. So it's a really nice rack, and that's what really adds a lot of value to the ski. What else can I say about it? I mean, look at the leather dripping, you know, wood grain on the back. This is teak wood from Japan, straight from the Japanese kingdom. So the king and queen of Japan back in the 1500s actually walked on this wood. I'm telling you, this is GTX Seadoo, one of a kind, totally swagged out. Then we got right here, you see that WJ? Most people think that stands for wet jet. You see that? That doesn't. That's the sign of a millionaire. So basically, in order to get this etched in, you have to do some kind of acid that comes from comets. And this also came directly from Halley's Comet. So if you're really trying to get something nice, you want a nice Trixx, this is the way to go. We haven't put a price on this Trixx because just all the add-on features like this speaker here and stuff. You know, this is a limited edition Bose sound system, so this is the best of the best. You really can't get any better than this. We threw this in here. This is a foot massager and a warmer.
End of flashback.
Scoot up, man. He's gonna back up every time. Oh, we got the Wet Jet Extreme Rider right there. Manny. Say hello to people. Man, why can't we have this green water in our lakes or rivers? We're over here with Rory. Rory took us to his private boat launch. It's a nice place. I'm gonna put on my gloves, okay? I don't want to be having my hands look like Karina, I'm just saying. Oh, somebody wasn't wearing gloves today. Are you wearing some gloves, Karina? Are you wearing gloves right now? Open your hand, open your hand. Party Cove area in Lake Travis. We're about to enter the mouth. Oh, okay. Okay. You'll find the big orange one. Okay, cool, cool. He went to go let somebody else in. He said just go inside. Let me turn on my little baby speakers until Wetjet Performance releases their speakers. I guess I can rock these. Right, I can't hear shit with the exhaust. I'm like, roar, 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 roar. Hey, I got a compass on mine. Do you have a compass on yours? We're going northwest. Let's see what else we got here. I think a time. With reliable tuning, you also get a time on there, but I got oh, it is right, 12:09 right now. And the compass, that's something different, a little extra you can get with reliable tuning. The information will be down below, and also the exhaust, the Wetjet Performance exhaust information, the link will be down below also. So y'all go check out their website, go show them some love, go see, maybe you want to get a tune and an exhaust. And we got SC Wake right here. SC Wake did the matting on my ski. Now they have so many designs, so many colors you can choose from, customize it like you know said on my video, and their link also will be down below. The graphics kit will be coming in too, and it's by E&V Graphics. Check them out. Information, their link will be down below also. If you want something custom, you tell them. They'll work with you, design something. You tell them an ideal you have, and they will make it like a 2.0 version. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with this wrap that I'm going to be getting. Well guys, it does get pretty hot, so I like to dip my toes in the water a bit, then splash a little water up here. As you can see, I'm wearing pants today. My legs got burnt yesterday, so I got to wear the pants. Got more jet skiers right there.
What up, lady?
Ready? Alright guys, so we're done for the day. We're going to the Mexican restaurants to drink and eat a little more and hang out.
I'm going home. All the way to the back there, and then I
You know, he lives on the lake. He's the best tour guide around in town. A special thanks to Rory. He hooked it up with the boat launch today.